Hello, this is Cyberjargon. Today I'm going to talk about entering contests to win money for prizes, gift cards, and so forth. Today I'm going to talk about savings.com, PCH contests, and OMG Sweepstakes. Savings.com, all you gotta do is just enter your email and then hit enter now. They'll give away 3 $500 Visa gift cards. So if you're lucky, you win the gift card. $500, and they also have coupons at your local retail store. Home Depot, Hulu, Old Navy, HP, Shen, Gap, Sam's Club, and so forth. And they have seasonal deals for Father's Day, Memorial Day, summer deals. They update it every single week. And it also operates England, Great Britain, Denmark, French, Italy, Estonia, NL, Australia, PR, CA, and MX. Those are other countries that operate too. And circulars are usually just like weekly ads for like savingbuyers.com for Memorial Day, what they have for Walmart this week, CVS, Grade A. All your everyday shopping needs is all circular, which is another word for weekly ads. Next is the PCH contest, which is a published clearinghouse. Win $5,000 a week for life. Just enter your name, first name, last name, address, and code, date of birth, email. You can confirm the email and submit your entry. And you usually choose one person. The next contest ends in June 30, so they have one for May, maybe started earlier in the month. It's usually supported by NBC. I've entered this contest many times, but I haven't won yet, so it's better to enter contests, do surveys, find ways to make money, even turn on the mobile performance meter, which was discussed on my previous video about a few weeks ago. And next I'm going to talk about OMG Sweepstakes. This will win $50,000 instantly. Guarantee one person will win $1,000 monthly. One grand prize and one second place. Second place guarantee 1,000. First place guarantee 50,000. Just send your email. Just submit entry. The prizes will be, these are participating places that offer for the 50,000. FedEx, Citibank, SCA Promotions is a bank. Our risk your reward. Could be a credit card company. You use it to pay off your mortgage, buy a new car, go on your dream vacation, or pay off student debt. Just simple entry. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, Cyberdragon. I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.